Just like the rest of us, criminals use the internet for work. Some of them make money online. Think, for example, about Dread Pirate Roberts, a former Boy Scout who created the first successful dark web marketplace, Silk Road, where people could buy and sell drugs. Or Lazarus, the super sophisticated cybercriminal group that is allegedly raising revenue on behalf of the North Korean government. But the internet also offers opportunity for moving or spending criminal income, that is, money laundering, and that raises some new challenges for law enforcement. Even in the offline world, some of the most well-known and respected banks sometimes fail spectacularly when it comes to detecting criminal income. Online, the situation is still more complicated. First of all, there are no borders on the internet, and an online casino based in, say, Curaçao can be accepting bets and making payouts to customers all over the world. Secondly, new payment means, such as cryptocurrencies, make it more challenging to trace criminal transactions. And finally, perhaps most importantly, the traditional law enforcement response, that is allocating more police resources to the investigation and prosecution of cases, is not necessarily going to work, simply because there is so much to investigate and prosecute, and threats are going to emanate from everywhere in the world. Over the past year, we at RUSI have been studying possible responses to these challenges as part of our Financial Crime 2.0 program that is funded by EY and Refinitiv. And in the following videos, we're going to share with you some of our views on tackling financial crime online.